Oh. That was a good one. Oh man, that was great.
Nice. See, laughter is the best medicine.
It is,
right?
Because it doesn't hurt. It's like a, yeah, you feel everything popping or whatever it is, but it just, there's instant relief. Like the tension, it's great. I like it.
I like that.
Oh. Whoa, that was good.
That's good. First time getting adjusted.
First time getting adjusted.
Woo.
Whoa.
How did that feel?
I felt great. I really
Good.
did. Because even I can't really like do this very much. I would feel like tightness, but right now I feel very like loose right now, so it feels good.
Jeez. All right, man. Look, say bye to the camera. That's awesome.
Definitely come back. Definitely coming back.